Good morning everyone. In the previous class we have discussed about the meaning of management, functions of management, characteristic and objectives of management. Now let us focus on the importance of management. No organization achieve its objective by chance but by following a deliberate process that is called management. Every successful organization, behind the success of every organization, there is only one thing, that is a good management, a proper management. So we'll discuss about the certain points of the importance of management. Helps in achieving group goal. If the management of any organization is good, then definitely the organization can achieve the goal efficiently and effectively. The proper management helps in achieving group goals. We have to focus on this group goal. Group means number of people and goal means organizational goal or objective. Clear to all? So a good manager or a good management always channelize all the efforts of the number of people in the direction to achieve the organizational goal. He does the planning in such a manner, he organizes the thing, he direct the thing in such a manner so that the number of people or the departments of the organization can achieve the organizational goal. Second one is management increases efficiency. As you are my students, so you people are very well aware about the word efficiency. Means optimum utilization of resources. It means that we have to use the resources in such a manner so that the resources cannot get waste. If your management is good, then definitely you are not going to waste your resources. It means that a good management always increase the efficiency of the organization. Means with the minimum cost or with the less input, the organization will increase the productivity. Is it clear to all? So we can say that if your management is good, then definitely it will increase the efficiency of the organization. Third one is management creates dynamic organization. It means that we people know that the business environment is all dynamic. It keeps on changing day by day. But the employees of the organization who are doing work in the organization, they are resist to change. They don't want to adopt the changes very easily. But a good manager always motivate them, lead them in such a manner so that they can adopt these changes in the best possible manner. So we can say that management always create dynamic organization. If your manager is good, if your management is good, then definitely he or she will motivate the people of the organization, the employees of the organization in such a manner so that they can adopt the changes. Next is helps to achieve personal objective. In the previous concept, that is objective of management, I told you about the personal objective and social objective. Personal objective is directly related to the employees of the organization. Employees. So what employees want from us? A good and fair wages and salaries, a good working condition, peer recognition and other benefits. So if your organization is good, the management is good, then definitely it helps to achieve the personal objective. It helps to achieve the needs, or we can say that it helps to fulfill all the needs and desire of the employees, that is fair wages and salaries. For example, if the management is good, then definitely the organization will earn more and more profit, and if the profit is more, then definitely a good organization will provide good things, good benefits to their employees, and ultimately the organization helps to achieve the personal objective. And the last one is helps to achieve social objective. Social means it is concerned to the society. I had already told you in my previous video. So if the management is good, then definitely the organization helps in achieving social objective as well, because if by doing the proper management we can produce the goods and services according to the demands and needs of the customer, the proper management management helps to provide the desired quality of product to our people. Second one is, if the management is good, then definitely it will provide employment opportunities to the people who are living in the surrounding areas. So we can say that these are certain importance of management. Helps in achieving group goal, management increase efficiency, management creates dynamic organization, helps to achieve personal objective, helps to achieve social objective. Again, I am telling you a small summary to all the points. First one is helps in achieving group goal. In this, a good manager always channelize the things or channelize the work in the direction to achieve the organizational goal. He always direct the number of people in the organization in such a manner so that they can achieve the organizational goal very easily. Second one is management increases efficiency. If your management is good, if the organization is doing work according to the proper management, then it helps to reduce the cost of production and increase the productivity of the organization. Management creates dynamic organization. As the business environment is all dynamic, it keeps on changing. So it is very difficult to make these changes adopted to our employees. But with the help of proper management, by motivating them, by leading them in the right direction, the manager can adopt these changes to their employees. So a good manager, a good management always helps to adopt the changes and creates a dynamic organization. Fourth one is helps to achieve personal objective. In this, if the management is good, then definitely it will always think about the employees of the organization, because what employees are doing, employees are giving us profit. Employees is an index of the goodwill of the organization. So if the management is good, then definitely it will earn profit, and if the organization is earning profit, then definitely it will provide something or very good benefits to their employees, and ultimately the personal objective will achieve. And the last one is helps to achieve social objective. It means that every good management, every good manager, every good businessman always thinks for the society, because whatever the resources we are getting from the society only. So it is a responsibility of the good management to provide something to the society as well, like provide desired quality of product to our customers. Second one is providing employment opportunities to the people who are living surrounding the areas, and means ask the demands and needs of the customer what they want, and then design the product according to their needs and wants. Provide the goods and services, quality goods and services in the cheaper rates. So these are certain social things which our society wants from us, and if the management is good, then definitely good management helps to achieve social objective. So this is enough for today. Thank you.